Randolph County, Missouri is known for a diverse landscape suitable for a variety of applications. These two tracts perfectly embody the county they are found in, offering a great mix of income property, hunting and recreation, and numerous building sites. Tract 1 is 73 acres of gently rolling hill ground, 43 acres in CRP, return over $4,300 annually. Great deer, turkey, and upland opportunities, complete with 30 by 50 pole barn for storage with lodging potential. Tract 2 consists of 177 acres, including 148 acres of CRP, paying over $17,700. There are 2 ponds on the acreage, with the remainder in woods. The CRP contract expires in 2022. And given the farm's location, layout, and the fact that it is bordered and sits in close proximity to large tillable tracts, cash rent or crop returns add more income potential in the near future. For more information on these 2 tracts in Randolph County, totaling 250 acres, call Jason Chin at 660-541-5058.